Hi class, it is April 21st and you should be in homeroom. So a couple things on our agenda today. I want to remind all of you guys that if you go to our Earth Science page and you click activities and quizzes, you have a summative, meaning you have a test. Okay, this is a big test. It looks like 9 of you guys out of 10 of you guys have done it. Wonderful job. I will be letting you guys know if you guys need to redo it. Today, I will be making sure I'm in contact with you all the time about what you need to be doing. When it comes to language arts, if you go to your language arts page, I have posted, because many of you were asking yesterday, for our class code for ReadWorks and our password. So if you scroll down here, I gave you class code ASFNDQ, password 1234. Also, on Friday, we will have another Zoom lesson, and I hope you guys all come to it. It was really, really fun last week. So yeah, so let's get started. Have a good day, guys.